Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Vlogmas, and yeah, this was what I was wearing on that day that I was vlogging. Basically a sweater dress and my coat from AliExpress. And so far the weather has been so nice this winter. It's not like the past years. So I've been able to wear tights, which is really good. And yeah, for Christmas they gave us these bags of goodies at work that had a lot of chocolates and cute stuff in it. Then our freeze dryer was broken, so I was trying to dry liquids just with air, and it took forever. And yeah, these are the stuff that were in the goodie bags. It's so funny that they also had these small tangerines, and but yeah, it's just really nice. It made me happy that day. Then I went shopping for some shampoos, but yeah, usually I go out in between my work whenever I'm like doing something that has like an hour or 2 hour waiting time. I just go out and take a walk and see some stores, then I come back and resume my work. So that day I was doing like a plate essay, so I had like a couple of things that I wanted to test. Overall, like I was able to make this peptide that is from a protein that's from the SARS-CoV-2 virus. So I tried to relate my work to something that I think is relevant these days. And I've been getting some promising results. I can't say exactly what I'm doing because it's not published, but yeah, that's what is keeping me a little bit busy and excited. But overall, I would say I feel a little bit like more depressed when it gets cold compared to like the warm months, and I think that's normal. But yeah, I just try to keep myself happy with food and small things, I guess. And yeah, we also had some free donuts that day. And yeah, after work I decided to go to the Korean store, H Mart, and get myself some stuff. I've been seeing some mukbangers eat like tofu and kimchi and spicy Korean noodles, so that made me like want to get it. And yeah, I got some kimbap, kimchi, and some spicy noodles. And then yeah, I also had this Abercrombie order delivered, and I will show that probably in the next vlogs. And yeah, I wanted to try this spicy noodle with some kimchi, but I made the mistake. I didn't know the noodles have like different levels of spiciness, and I got the spiciest one available, and I only had 2 bites and I threw it out because I just couldn't finish the whole thing. Yeah, it was like the spiciest thing I ate in my entire life. The next day it was like the my day off weekend, and yeah, I wanted to make tofu, so I made it like I normally do with rice flour, paprika, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and a little bit of ginger powder. And I mix these up and coat the tofu with it, and then I fry it. And it was like, I'm having this fried tofu almost every weekend, and it's super light and I guess vegetarian, but I'm not a vegetarian. I just do like tofu overall because it's really light, and with some kimchi it was so good. Yeah, I don't eat kimchi often, but I think recently I've become obsessed. It doesn't smell great, I would say, but it tastes really good. In my culture we have something similar. We call it torshi, and it reminds me of that. And I would just eat it with simple rice, and it's so good. Then I wanted to do some grocery shopping, so this is what I wore that day, and went for like beige and white kind of tones. It snowed a little bit, but the weather is still like nice. And yeah, so in this grocery store there are a lot of Middle Eastern stuff, which I like because it reminds me of back home, and they have a lot of like variety of stuff here, all the Middle Eastern sweets and desserts. Like yeah, as you know, baklava is a pretty famous dessert, and all these like good stuff. Also, since I made those gingerbread cookies, my mom took some of them for her friends at work, and then they make this one for me, and she brought it home. Thank you for watching the vlog so far. I hope you enjoy it and have a nice day.